What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? Today's video takes place in our DIY food court. Full videos on YouTube at MyFroggyStuff. Which brings us to today's video. Foodie Mini Brands, Mini Food Court. Looks like it's time for a versus. Yeah! How do you like my nails? I was trying to be fancy. I picked up the mini food court at Target for $14.99. There is a list of items included on the back, as well as a picture. And there is one exclusive mini included. Is it gonna look like that? That looks like a Subway sandwich. I'm still hoping for a frozen moment mini. I have yet to find one. I'm starting to believe they're a myth. Well, I know other people have found them, but in my miniverse, they don't exist. Yet. The items come in paper bags. Assembly is required. There are stickers and instructions. I'm finally going to get a mustard. To be fair in this versus, we do have mini brand products currently in our DIY food court. But I took that cash register from Barbie. And we did make a drink dispenser a long time ago. So I should get a few points for that. But yeah, Mini Brands totally got us on the accessories. All right, now this goes here, that goes there, you go right here, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it's done. Oh yeah, I got more trays for my food court. I mean, the mini food court comes with trays. We get 5. It seems to have most of the food court items that were in the capsules, like the straw dispenser, drink dispenser, menu, self-checkout. It has registers, ketchup, and mustard, all in this playset, which makes me very happy because I was having a difficult time finding them. So does that mean I'm going to take everything out of here after this video? Yes I am. Because while I think this is a pretty cool playset, I'm loving all the accessories, it's just not my preferred scale. I'm a 1/6 scale kind of collector, and the dolls that I mainly play with are a little large for this playset. Is it a good size for LOL Surprise? Well, the counter seems a little high, but the seating area could work. Barbie Extra Mini is a little too tall. But if you are just here for the mini brands, then I think yes. This could be a fun way to display and play with the miniatures. Speaking of, here is the exclusive mini. Does feel like a Subway sandwich of some kind. Yup. It's a foot-long sub. All the little restaurants are pretty generic, so you can decide where you want the minis to go. It looks like we have some storage under here, as well as on the back. Now, our DIY food court doesn't offer a ton of storage. It was mainly designed for play rather than display. I guess we could have put some shelves in back here. But I store all my mini brands in bead storage containers, so I wasn't thinking about that. Speaking of mini brands, I never did find a frozen moment mini. So let's spend a little time in this video searching for one. I only got 5 because, you know, we're trying to have a little restraint. And hopefully in this video, I'll get all the brands right. Hey, we got a burger from Carl's Jr. Where are the veggies? Can we get a black bean burger up in here? Nope, we're getting sushi, which is cool, but we're looking for frozen moments. Nope, that's a meatball sub. Nope, that's cherry limeade. And this is the straw dispenser? I finally get it after I already bought it in the mini food court? Of course, because that's just how life works. I'm not bitter. We didn't get a frozen moment mini, but we can try again. This is our second ball for the day, or capsule for the day. And our first mini brand is, ooh, I don't think I've had this one before. Hot Fudge Brownie Sundae from Hard Rock Cafe. Love the glass. All right, so I'm happy about that, even though it wasn't a frozen moment mini. Why does my camera keep going all blurry? There we go. That's a double. A cinnamon bun from Hardee's. And this is a Sonic corn dog that comes out of the wrapper. They should have all been made like this. I know some people have found ways to remove the food from the packaging. I just wish it was designed to be removed. Man, we get these all the time. Wings from TGI Fridays. This one feels like a drink. And yeah, Subway. That is Subway, right? Yeah. Third time's a charm. Right? Isn't that what they say? So let's see. This is our third attempt. And hopefully we have what we're looking for. No, that's a menu. We don't need any more food court items, man. Our food court only has 2 tables. All right. A burger from Fridays. Oh, I'm sorry. TGI Fridays. Can we twist the burger out? Doesn't seem like it. Oh, I got it. But that was a lot of work. There's a little peg on the inside of the container that fits into the hamburger, but with a little bit of elbow grease, it can be removed. Warning, you can possibly damage and destroy your mini brands. I really do like the idea of the peg. I just wish that it was a lot easier to remove. This feels like a paper bag, which to me doesn't really feel like it's on the same level as the rest of the minis. Yep, it's a bag. Last video, I didn't look inside the bag because I was so distracted by the fact we got a bag and you all fussed at me. So here is the little token that is in the bag. There's a face on the other side. Here we have White Castle Crave Crate, which is a double for me. And our last one is another Sonic drink. Nope, this is not Sonic. This is Subway. At least I caught it this time. 4th time's a charm. Our chances have to improve, right? I mean, I've gotten quite a few of these things. That's another cherry limeade. And I'm staying positive. That's another burger. At least we know how to remove it now. So now we have dinner for 2. And this is a sub. Another meatball sub. 2 Subway meals coming up. And another corn dog. Seriously? Everything's a double. This better not be a cherry limeade. That's all I'm saying. And it's not. It's a chocolate shake. 5th time's a charm. If we don't get a frozen moment mini, I'm done. I mean, we're gonna have to draw a line somewhere. Done with mini brands? Seriously, who am I kidding? Is that a bag? It's a bag. Totally not making it easy on me. Okay, ribs. We have quite a few of these. Let's go ahead and see if we can remove it. Let's see. Oh, whoa, I broke the peg, but I did remove it. And this is Subway. It's a foot-long sub. And this is sushi, salmon sashimi. This is a new one for me. And our last Foodie Mini Brand is curly fries. A double. Milkshake and curly fries, anyone? So once again, no frozen moments minis for me. But we could always try a series 4 because they have frozen moment minis. Don't look at me like that. I said no more Foodie Mini Brands. Or maybe I just said mini brands. I don't know. But we're gonna open this anyway. And here we go. All right. First one. Oh! I got one! Yes! We have a frozen moment mini! Oh my goodness, how much money have I spent? We're just not going to think about that right now. Instead, we're going to be very happy that we finally got one. All the pieces come apart, which is really cool. I did not know that. Okay, now this has to go on there some kind of way. There we go. We have a jar of salsa being poured onto tortilla chips. Wow. We did it, y'all. We did it. Now it has been confirmed in my miniverse that frozen moment minis do exist. Let's go ahead and open the rest of them. We have raisins, beautiful double raisins. This might be a triple, but I don't mind. And here we have, what's this? Pringles. Oh, lovely, lovely Pringles. And here we have, come on, what's this? A burrito. Wow, I think that's also a double. Is there money in the collector's guide? No. And last, and probably least, no, I'm just joking. I'm just saying, we have a frozen moment mini over here. We have makeup. I'm actually happy about that, but not as happy as I am to get that frozen moment mini. Okay, I'll stop now. Overall, I am happy that I got the mini food court. I was searching for food court items, and that was a guaranteed way to get them. I am taking all the trays now. I also took the mustard and added it to my DIY food court, as well as the other soda dispenser. And I might make everything self-serve, so I'm adding this as well. So when it comes to DIY food court versus mini food court, I like a combination of the two. And we finally got a Frozen Moments mini. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us for another Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.